Hey, so if you want to collaborate effectively in Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so you and your team can work together smoothly in real time. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open the presentation you want to collaborate on or create a new one. To share your slides, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can choose their access level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Editors can make changes, commenters can leave feedback, and viewers can only see the slides. Next, add comments directly on slides. Highlight text, images, or objects. Then click the comment icon or press Ctrl plus Alt plus M. You can tag teammates using the @ symbol to notify them. This keeps feedback organized and reduces back and forth emails. Real-time collaboration is one of the best features. Multiple people can edit the presentation simultaneously. You'll see colored cursors and live updates so everyone knows who is working on what. You can also use version history to track changes. Go to File, Version History, see version history to view edits, restore previous versions, or name important versions. This ensures nothing is lost and accountability is clear. If your team works remotely, integrate slides with Google Meet. Present slides during meetings, share your screen, and discuss updates live, making collaboration seamless, even across locations. For better organization, create a shared folder in Google Drive. Place all project slides there and give team members access. This keeps files centralized and easy to find. And that's basically it. By sharing slides with proper permissions, using comments, collaborating in real time, tracking version history, and organizing files in Drive, you can collaborate in Google Slides efficiently. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.